Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to design corner border elements in Illustrator. First, pick Ellipse tool. Change fill color to black and stroke to none. Now draw a circle. Grab Direct Selection tool and select left point like this. Then press left arrow key to move the point. Now hold down the Alt key and move the handles. And now select this point and move it to left by pressing left arrow key. Move this point little bit to left. Move this point to right. Now OK. Now pick Ellipse tool and draw ellipse like this. Pick Direct Selection tool and select the left point. Now pick Scale tool and scale it little bit. Do the same to the right point. Now pressing Alt key and drag the ellipse like this. Grab Direct Selection tool and select these points. Now move these points by pressing left arrow key like this. After that, select Ellipse tool and draw a circle pressing Shift key. Now select the circle and go to Effect, Distort and Transform. We need 7 copies. Tick Preview box. Drag this point. Scale the circles to 75. Click OK. Select Circle and go to Object, Expand Appearance. Again go to Object, Transform, Reflect. Mark Vertical and click Copy. Now move the copy over this circle. Now pick Group Selection tool and select these circles. Now pressing Alt key, drag these circles down. Select these shapes and hold down Alt key and drag like this to get copies. Now select Object, Transform, Reflect. Mark Vertical and click OK. We don't need this shape, so I am deleting this shape. After that, select all the shapes and pressing Shift key scale down like this. Now I am going to create brushes from these shapes. Select first shape, go to Window, Brushes. Click New Brush in Brush Panel. Select Arc Brush. OK. Select this right arrow direction and change colorization method to tints. Click OK. Do the same to the other shapes. OK. You can see the brushes that we created. Pick Brush tool. We have to change this brush options. To do that, double-click on the brush in Brush Palette and change Brush Scale option to Scale proportionally. Then click OK. Select Apply to Stroke. Do the same to other two brushes. Now create a new layer. Double-click on the Artboard tool. Change width and height values to 1000. Click OK. Pick Line Segment tool and draw a line like this. Pick Brush tool, choose a brush that we created and draw like this. Now click this point. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. Take Reflect X, now click on this left upper point. Change angle value to 90. One copy. Click OK. You can see the reflect on left side when we are drawing. Select the line and change stroke weight to 0.25. Select line and go to Object, Lock, Lock Selection. We need this line only for the orientation. Double-click on Paintbrush tool and drag the fidelity point to right side. Use arrow keys to move brush lines. Now our first corner border is finished. Let's draw the second one. After you draw, you can change the brush that you want like this. You can also change brush weight like this. Let's draw the third corner border. Take copies from each and every borders. Select this point and go to Object, Expand Appearance. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.